Do you still remember the chrome garnishes that we unboxed for videos last time?
The trunk lid popped out. So I called the seller and asked for advice, and he said I should put additional 3M adhesive on the trunk. Unfortunately, we do not have any here at home.
So he bought the 3M adhesive so that we can stick the trunk lid back to where it should be. So here is the 3M adhesive. So let's start unboxing. No time to waste. Remember, if you want to do this at home, be careful with the cutter.
There you go.
Here's the 3M adhesive.
It says super strength mounting tape. According to 3M, this is the one used for cars. So if you're planning to add chrome garnishes on your car and you want to add additional adhesive, you have to use this one. This is the 3M super strength molding tape.
Wow, it is so strong. Oh, and I just can't believe how strong it looks. It might be perfect for our trunk lid adhesive project.
Okay, let's install. Okay.
So this is what happened. The chrome garnishes for the trunk lid popped out. See that? So we're gonna repair it with the 3M adhesive. See? So let's go repair. The 3M adhesive for the chrome garnishes that popped out. Though this is just one, so he just took one strip and put it over there like you just saw. So here it is. It's all good as new. Oh, we have finally installed 3M adhesive.
If you like this video, please hit the like button.
And subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and also by ringing the notification bell so you won't miss any videos. This is my dad.
And this is my son, Bob.
Saying,
this is what we got. Ay, wala pala tayong Bobs.
ano?
Wala yung cutter.
It's outside.